Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
iCloud Backup stores your device settings, app data, and important files securely in Apple Cloud. Apple provides 5 GB free storage and paid plans starting at 50 GB for /bin/sh, $99 monthly. Backups typically include device settings, HomeKit configurations, iCloud Drive files, and most app data. iCloud Photos is separate and can use storage if enabled. You must connect to Wi-Fi and plug into power, open settings, and tap your name at the top to access Apple ID controls on iPhone. Tap iCloud, then scroll to iCloud Backup and toggle it on to enable automatic backups. To run a manual backup immediately, connect to Wi-Fi and plug the device into power, then tap Backup Now. Wait for the process to finish and keep the screen unlocked during the first backup. After completion, verify the date and size listed under iCloud Backup to confirm success. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and Manage Storage to review backups and usage. Manage Storage lists device backups, backup sizes, and allows deleting older device backups to free space. If you need more storage, upgrade your iCloud plan to 200 GB or 2 TB directly from the same menu. To restore a backup, erase the device and follow the setup assistant, then choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Keep your device connected to Wi-Fi and power until the restore completes fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.